This is my Kodable, and I'm going to be choosing grades K through 2. And let's go kindergarten, because that's the grade I'm interested in teaching.
Help your fuzz get to the end. Correct. Now which way should you go? You can test your code first. When you think you have the correct Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Now I will begin my creative challenge. Pick my backgrounds. And since I'm going to be doing kindergarten, I'm just going to start with a really easy, basic code for my students to use. Put a star right at the end.
Let's go!
And now I created my maze, and I'm going to get my certificate. So here's my code certificate.